In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to add personalization box on Shopify using Shopify's built-in options. No need for apps or external sites, and this will let customers choose their custom text on their product like a name or message. Also, they can choose their color, size, material and etc. before purchasing their order. So let's get started. Firstly, log in on your Shopify page using your admin credentials, and here go to the product section from this left panel, and now select the product where you want to add your personalization box. So I want to add my personalization box on this shoe, so I just need to select the shoe first, then scroll down here until you find option of variants. So as you can see, this is variants. I need to tap on add options like size or color. Once you tap on it, then select the personalization thing which you want to add under your product. If you want to have a size option, then you can select this size option. If you want to add any color, then you can select the color option from here. I want to add in color, so for that I'll select the first option, then tap on add color. But before that, if you want anything to name for your color, so suppose if I want to add personalization here, then I can name it just like this, and after that this thing will be show up on my product info. So I don't want to name it personalization, I just want to name it color as it is. And after that, tap on the add section, and here choose the thing which you want to add for your customers to select. So I want to add two colors, which is red and gold. So I'll just select those colors, and then after that click anywhere else, and those colors will be selected here. Then tap on done, and now you can see both the colors are now added. For the next step, we need to add a custom image for particular color. Suppose if I am selecting red color here, then I need to provide a red shoe image here. So for that, tap on the plus image icon, and then select the image which you want to add for your personalization thing. So for that, tap on add image and select the shoe image or whatever product you have. So I have this red shoe, I'll select it, then tap on open, and once the image is uploaded, we need to tap on done. But before that, I need to wait for a moment. As you can see, the shoe has been selected here, then click on done, and now the red shoe has been uploaded. Now it's time for the golden shoe. For that, tap on the plus image icon, then tap on add image once again, select the image, then tap on open, select the image, then click on done, and now the golden shoe has been uploaded as well. You can also change the price for your particular product from here as well, and also you can change the quantity. So I just want to change my quantity to 12, then tap on the save from the top, and after that it will be published for your product. Now I want to view it on my store, so for that go to the online store section, and under it we need to click on view your store, and then we will see the preview of our product. So I need to scroll down here, and you can see this was the product. I need to select it, and there you go, you can see the personalization box here which was color. I can choose any color and the image will be changed according to that color. So this was the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.